Tucson shooting suspect Jared Loughner is expected to enter a guilty plea this week for his role in last year's mass shooting. 3TV's Ryan O'Donnell spoke with a criminal defense lawyer for some insight on what could happen next.
It's what many people are calling a bombshell development in the case of suspected Tucson shooter Jared Loughner.
A judge will determine that he's competent to stand trial and therefore competent to enter a guilty plea.
Jason Lamm is a local criminal defense attorney who's been following Loughner's court activity this past year.
The Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals looked at this case quite seriously during the pendency of Loughner's case, and when doctors reported that he decompensated so badly that his condition got so much worse without the medication, they gave doctors the green light to medicate Loughner involuntarily.
Loughner is accused of shooting and killing 6 people and injuring several others in a grocery store parking lot in January of 2011. One of those injured was former Congresswoman Gabrielle Giffords.
The only people for whom charges have been filed at this point are Gabrielle Giffords, the federal judge, and Congressman Giffords' staff, because those are all federally related activities that they were involved in at the time of the shooting.
The Associated Press is reporting Loughner will enter a guilty plea later this week. Now, in return, he'll get life in prison instead of the death penalty.
Loughner will likely be housed in Florence, Colorado. It's a facility called ADMAX. A former warden called it a cleaner version of hell. It's a very solitary environment. Prisoners have no contact with the outside world, and these are individuals who have a very high risk of danger to the community.
I'm Ryan O'Donnell, 3TV.